Welcome. In today's video, we'll show you how to send images as documents on Telegram. This is a great feature if you want to send high-quality images without compressing them, or if you need to send an image in its original format. Let's walk through the simple steps to send images as documents on Telegram. Step 1. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Step 2. Once the app is open, navigate to the chat or group where you want to send the image. Step 3. Tap on the attachment icon at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a paperclip. Step 4. Next, tap on the File option at the bottom of the attachment menu. This allows you to send files without compression. Step 5. Now, tap on Gallery to select the image you want to send. Step 6. Browse through your gallery and select the image you want to send as a document. Step 7. Finally, tap the Send arrow icon at the bottom right to send the image as a document. And there you have it. Your image is now sent as a document, which keeps it in its original quality and format. If you ever need to send images or other files this way, just follow these simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Telegram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.